Snacking has long carried a complicated reputation.
For decades, we were told that eating between meals would ruin your appetite, slow your metabolism, or inevitably lead to weight gain. Yet more recently, fitness culture and health influencers have promoted frequent small meals as a strategy to boost metabolism and stabilize energy levels. So which is correct? Is snacking genuinely harmful, or does the answer depend on something more nuanced? To understand this, we must first examine what happens in the body when we eat.
Welcome to SciCuriousID, where curiosity meets science.
Every time you consume food, your body releases insulin to regulate blood glucose levels. Hormones such as ghrelin and leptin help control hunger and satiety. From a physiological standpoint, the human body is designed to handle fluctuations in energy intake throughout the day. There is nothing inherently unnatural about eating more than 3 times daily. In fact, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that meal frequency alone does not significantly alter basal metabolic rate. In other words, eating 6 times per day does not boost metabolism, compared to eating 3 times per day, assuming total caloric intake is equal. This challenges a long-standing dietary myth. However, metabolism is only one part of the story. The quality of the snack matters enormously. A landmark study conducted by Kevin Hall and colleagues at the US National Institutes of Health demonstrated that ultra-processed foods lead to higher calorie intake and weight gain, compared to minimally processed foods, even when macronutrients are matched. Participants eating ultra-processed snacks consumed significantly more calories overall. This suggests that the problem may not be the act of snacking itself, but rather the type of foods typically chosen. Highly processed snack foods are engineered for palatability. They are often rich in refined carbohydrates, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and salt. These combinations can override normal satiety signals, encouraging passive overconsumption. By contrast, nutrient-dense snacks, such as nuts, yogurt, fruit, or whole grain options, contain fiber, protein, and healthy fats that enhance satiety and stabilize blood glucose. Blood sugar stability is another critical factor. Research published in Diabetes Care indicates that structured, balanced snacking may improve glycemic control in certain individuals, particularly those with type 2 diabetes. A protein-rich snack can prevent large glucose swings between meals. However, frequent consumption of high-sugar snacks may contribute to insulin resistance over time. Repeated blood glucose spikes place metabolic stress on the body, potentially increasing long-term cardiometabolic risk. Therefore, context matters. There is also behavioral psychology to consider. Some individuals snack due to physiological hunger, others snack due to boredom, stress, or environmental cues. The modern food environment, filled with convenience foods and constant availability, makes mindless snacking far easier than in previous centuries. Historically, structured meal patterns were shaped by culture, labor demands, and food availability. Constant grazing is a relatively modern phenomenon, largely enabled by industrial food production and packaging. Interestingly, epidemiological data do not consistently show that higher meal frequency independently causes obesity. Instead, total caloric intake, dietary composition, sleep patterns, and physical activity play far more significant roles. This brings us to a critical distinction. Snacking is not inherently harmful, but habitual, energy-dense, ultra-processed snacking, combined with a sedentary lifestyle, can contribute to metabolic dysregulation. Another overlooked factor is individual variability. Some people naturally regulate their appetite well with 3 meals per day. Others experience better energy stability with smaller, more frequent eating patterns. Circadian rhythms, work schedules, hormonal differences, and metabolic health all influence what pattern works best. In controlled conditions, when calories and food quality are equal, meal frequency appears to have minimal direct effect on weight or metabolic rate. But in real-world conditions, where snacks are often hyperpalatable and portion sizes underestimated, frequent snacking may unintentionally increase daily energy intake. So is snacking bad? Scientifically speaking, it depends on several factors. Scientifically speaking, no, it is not inherently harmful. But it is not automatically beneficial either. The outcome depends on what you snack on, why you snack, how much you consume, and your overall dietary pattern. From a physiological perspective, the human body is adaptable. It responds more to overall energy balance and nutritional quality than to rigid meal timing rules. Perhaps the more important question is not, should we snack? But rather, are we snacking consciously or automatically? As nutritional science continues to evolve, one conclusion remains consistent. Dietary patterns matter more than isolated behaviors. So now we turn the question to you. Do you feel more energized with structured meals only, or with small snacks throughout the day? And what kind of snacks truly keep you satisfied? Let us know your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more.
Thanks for watching SciCuriousID. Until next time.